Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with some exciting news. I've got my website, gailagustinelli.com, up on your screen here. And I'm so excited to announce that after waiting for years and years, Red River Paper Company has an affiliate program. Woohoo! How long have I been telling you guys to buy the Red River paper? I don't know. But they finally have an affiliate program. So on the homepage of gailagustinelli.com, if you scroll down a little bit, you can click here and it takes you to Red River Paper. Okay? So then I'm gonna go back to my homepage. The other way you can get to it is, you guys know Gail's Favorite Things. Yep. Gonna click on that. There they are right there too, Red River Paper. So click on that, it takes you to their website again. And by clicking through either of those places, I will get a small commission from your order. Now, I did want to say again, that it's the 26-pound matte photo paper. 26-pound matte photo paper that I use for the pages in my journals. And it's a great weight. It's not too thick, but they have thicker paper too. So any paper that you order through my website, either on the homepage or on Gail's Favorite Things, I will get the credit for. So I really appreciate you guys shopping through there for your Red River paper. I've been waiting a long time for them to acknowledge that there are people driving customers to them. So, but while we're here with Gail's Favorite Things, I wanted to tell you the video that's up today. I have the wine bags and they are right there. That'll be through my Amazon affiliate. And then I wanted to show you some other new items that I put up. Under paper, I have now, we're gonna get down there. There's all sorts of fun stuff in there, but let me get down here. The Pepin gift wrap paper that I have used, I actually am going to use it in a video coming up, but I have 4 of those on my favorite things. So I wanted to tell you about that while I had you on the computer with me. So yeah, I am super excited about the Red River news. And again, there's 2 places on my website where you can reach it. So so yeah, have fun shopping. Thanks everybody. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.